give you highlights on MEL framework, mini course training, and module 1 syllabus. This MEL framework training is on concepts of monitoring, evaluation, accountability, and learning. It is a training for training participants as tips in designing and implementation of MEL framework. It gives them, again, to identify data collection tools and Matrix Plus data analysis system. The MEL framework results are used as tools for projects and program management improvement. Accountability, gender integration, and diversity inclusion are again part of the training in MEL framework. Different case studies, best practices from the field and other organizations are also included in the training. By adopting this MEL framework training, English program can ensure that their projects and program management are evidence-based, responsive to community needs, and measure stakeholders' accountability. Module 1 is on basic concepts, significance, and implementation of MEL framework. This module has 3 different learning objectives. One is to differentiate among monitoring, evaluation, accountability, and learning. And the second one is to identify different types of MEL framework significance for English programs. And the third one is to decide the workable steps to establish MEL framework for English programs. To complete this module 1 hour and 30 minutes are required. Knowledge checks, discussion forums, and individual assignments are assessment strategies employed for this module. Module 1 has 4 subtopics. One is on basic concepts of MEL framework. The second one is significance of MEL framework. And the third one is implementation of MEL framework in English programs. And the fourth one is integration of gender and diversity into MEL framework for English programs. Thank you for listening.